the introduction for the relays. Out here, the 4x400 team will now be the team from Nepal. That's the Pakistan team now. The second of them. The Pakistan team 4-5 in 1986. India, of course, always strong at the 4x400. Their under 20 team 3 minutes 08.10. The Sri Lankans surely should be a side which will.
It's Sri Lanka in the lead led by Nate Sara and Bangladesh all set ready. Sheikh Bohran.
Abhiram, 400 meters specialist. They now off here. The first of the 400 meters with Abhiram there. The Sri Lankans looking strong at the back straight. This is where the others will have to do that extra bit. Surely the Sri Lankan Swarnlata is looking much better than some of the others in the fray. They are a wonderful 4x400 over the last 25-30 years.
And now in the lane 5 we can expect the Indian at the home straight. Small gap, just it's not impossible for the Indian to overcome, but still there are 3 more positions to take the lead.
So the first baton exchange was taken by the Indian, handing it over to Ankul. For Sri Lanka, it's been Shashinta Silva. This is a close battle between Shashinta Silva and Ankul, the two of them. They will now come into the inside. Now watch them coming into the inside, slowly but surely. The others are falling way back. It's Sri Lanka and India. This is the second of the 400 meters runners at the 200. Oh, they're looking at over each other's heels. This is going to be a cracker of an event, the 4x400 for men.
And again at the home straight, a lot of close battle between these two countries, Ankul and Shashantile.
So picking up now the third of the legs is Kurkula for Sri Lanka. He was slightly sore, but he's picked up the lead now. For India, it is Kumar Bhanot. That lead of approximately 5 or 6 meters. He seems to be the best runner out here. He's grimacing out there. Bhanot is looking strong. The others at the back, the Maldives, Bangladesh and Pakistan are lagging behind. But look at the Sri Lankan. The third of them, Kirulu Vajat. They had a wonderful baton exchange by the first two of them. The Indian now in a bit of pressure with Kumar Bhanot. Kirulu Vijat of Sri Lanka having the edge of virtually about 15 odd meters. Is that going to be the difficult stretch for the Indians? They are now picking it up. They go on from here. The last of them for Sri Lanka, Rajakaruna. For India, it is Jai Kumar. Does he have the energy, the Indian? He's looking strong out there. The Sri Lankans under pressure. And they are on the back straight. But the Sri Lankans, that distance of virtually 20 meters is perhaps going to stand him in good stead. Jai Kumar putting in his very best out there. Lot of ground for him to cover. On the 200 meters bend, he now takes the bend perfectly. Sri Lanka for sure, Swarnlata, will take it away. Oh, look at Jai Kumar there. Look at him pushing himself. This is a great battle between the two of them. But that lead, Swarnlata, which the number 3, Kirulu had got for them, is going to get Sri Lanka the gold. They get the gold out here. Yes, they get the gold. He finishes out here. And Sri Lanka take the gold. India take the silver. But what a comeback by the Sri Lankans after the two Indians. That was Abhiram and Ankul did well for the Indians.
Yes, the backlog in the second lap, the damage done to the Indians. They could not come back immediately. There the damage done to the Indian relay team here in 4x400 meters relay, that they are in the trouble.
The champions and the gold medal winners come from the team Sri Lanka with a timing of 3 minutes 09.27 seconds. to rise from our seats for the national anthem of Sri Lanka.
Thank